Welcome to BrewFix, where coffee meets craftsmanship. Espresso machines are surrounded by upgrades. Baskets, screens, gauges, accessories, mods. And most people assume upgrades automatically mean better espresso. But after years of repairing and maintaining machines, I can tell you something most people don't want to hear. Almost all upgrades don't fix the real problem. Today, I'm breaking down the one espresso machine upgrade that's actually worth it, why it works, and why everything else is usually a distraction. Why most espresso upgrades disappoint. Most upgrades focus on surface-level control, pressure gauges, fancy baskets, upgraded shower screens. They promise better shots, but they don't address the underlying system. If water flow is inconsistent, temperature unstable, or maintenance neglected, no accessory will fix that. From a technician's point of view, many upgrades simply make problems more visible instead of solving them. Or worse, they introduce new failure points. The upgrade, that actually matters. The most valuable upgrade for almost any espresso machine isn't flashy. It's proper water management and filtration matched to your machine. Stable water chemistry protects internal components, stabilizes extraction, and dramatically extends machine lifespan. When water is right, everything downstream improves. Pressure behaves predictably, temperature recovers faster, valves last longer, and espresso tastes cleaner and more consistent. Why this beats every accessory. You can install the best basket on the market, but scale buildup will still choke flow paths. You can add pressure profiling, but corrosion will still eat fittings if pH is wrong. Water affects every single component inside the machine every time it turns on. That's why technicians always ask about water first, before grinders, baskets, or technique. What good water really means. Good water doesn't mean zero minerals. It means balanced hardness that avoids scale while still extracting flavor properly, and a pH that protects metal components from corrosion. When water is correct, descaling becomes rare instead of routine. Internal parts stay clean, and machines operate closer to their original design for years longer. Why this upgrade feels boring, but works. Water upgrades aren't exciting. You can't post a dramatic before and after photo. But this is exactly why they're undervalued. They quietly solve problems before they appear. From a BrewFix perspective, this is the difference between constantly reacting to breakdowns and running a machine that just works. What to upgrade after this, if anything? Once water is under control and maintenance is consistent, then other upgrades can make sense. But without this foundation, accessories are just noise. The best machines I service aren't loaded with mods. They're protected by good water and basic preventative care. If you want better espresso and a longer-lasting machine, skip the hype and fix the foundation. The right water upgrade outperforms any accessory you can buy. At BrewFix, I help coffee lovers, baristas, and technicians understand machines as systems, so improvements actually last.